Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Summer Waves 24-foot by 52-inch metal frame swimming pool. Stay cool when it gets hot outside with the Summer Waves metal frame pool with filter pump and deluxe accessory set. Over 4 feet deep and 24 feet wide, the pool comes with a CP 2000C filter pump with ground fault circuit interrupter, a pool cover, ladder, a ground cloth, and a maintenance kit. It's the perfect size for any backyard, and the included pool cover allows you to maintain clean, refreshing water. Product benefits: quick and easy assembly, durable and lasting construction. Includes cover, ladder, and ground cloth. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.